Welcome to our lesson on dot plots. Today, we are going to explore a simple yet powerful way to display data visually. If you have ever wondered how to quickly sketch a graph that shows every single answer from a survey, you are in the right place. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a dot plot? Simply put, it is a statistical chart consisting of data points plotted on a very simple scale, usually a number line. The key feature here is that each dot represents a specific number of observations. It is one of the most straightforward ways to organize numerical data. Here is the golden rule you need to remember. One dot equals one observation. Unlike a bar chart, where the height of a solid bar tells you the value, a dot plot uses individual marks. If you surveyed 5 people, there should be 5 dots on your graph. It is that direct. One person, one item, one dot. Let's look at the parts of a dot plot. First, you have the horizontal axis, which is basically a number line showing the possible values. Then, you have the dots themselves, stacked vertically above their corresponding numbers. Finally, every good graph needs a title so we know what data we are looking at. Let's try an example. Imagine we ask 10 students, how many siblings do you have? Here are their answers. We have some zeros, some ones, a few twos, a 3, and a 4. Seeing the numbers in a list like this is okay, but it is hard to spot patterns instantly. Let's map this onto a dot plot. Here is our data plotted out. Notice the number line at the bottom going from 0 to 5. For every student who said 0, we put a dot above the 0. For the 4 students who said 1, we stacked 4 dots on top of each other above the number 1. This visual stack immediately tells us where the most common answers are. Now that we have built it, how do we read it? We look for the tallest stack to find the mode, which is the most common answer. In our case, one sibling is the mode. We can also see the range, which is the spread from the lowest value 0 to the highest value 4. The height of each stack represents the frequency of that value. Dot plots are fantastic for showing the shape of data. We can easily identify clusters, which are groups of dots packed close together. We can also see gaps, which are spaces where no data exists. Sometimes, we might see an outlier, a data point that sits far away from the rest of the group. Why should you choose a dot plot? 3 reasons. First, transparency. You see every single data point, nothing is summarized or hidden. Second, simplicity. They are easy to read and draw by hand. And third, shape. They instantly reveal how the data is distributed, showing clusters and outliers clearly. To wrap up, remember these key points. In a dot plot, one dot equals one observation. They are perfect for small sets of numerical data. The tallest stack is your mode, and the visual layout helps you spot clusters and gaps instantly. Thanks for watching, and happy plotting.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.